the equation of tangents to the curve y is equal to cos of x plus y, where x lies between minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi, that are parallel to the line x plus 2y is equal to 0. Means the slope can be considered the slope of a line x plus 2y is equal to 0, so which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So first differentiate with respect to x to get the slope of a tangent. Dy by dx is equal to minus sine of x plus y into, again dy by dx of x plus y will come 1 plus dy by dx. Since the slope of these tangents of equation are parallel to the line, so we can consider dy by dx is equal to minus half. So let's substitute here. Minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus sine of x plus y into 1 minus half, that is minus half is equal to minus sine of x plus y into half. So we can cancel this half and also minus minus, so we are getting sine of x plus y is equal to 1. So sine angle is 1, which implies x plus y is equal to, it's an odd multiples of pi by 2. Our equation y is equal to cos of x plus y, that is 2n plus 1 of pi by 2. And now for minus 2 pi less than or equals to x less than or equals to 2 pi, so for n is equal to 0, for n is equal to 0 we are getting cos 90, that is 0, so y is equal to 0. For n is equal to, so when y is equal to 0, then x is equal to, we can consider it to be when n is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1 times of pi by 2. So for n is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 2, so we are getting 1 point pi upon 2 comma 0. And now for let n is equal to minus 2, so we will be getting y is equal to cos of minus 3 pi by 2, which is equal to 0, which again implies x is equal to minus 3 pi by 2. So getting another point minus 3 pi by 2 comma 0. Now let's find the tangents equation at these points. Equation of tangent at pi by 2 comma 0 and slope is minus 1 by 2. So y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 times of x minus pi by 2. So which implies here 2y plus x minus pi by 2 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 4y minus pi is equal to 0. This is one equation. And at a point, let's write the equation of a tangent at minus 3 pi by 2 comma 0, which implies y minus 0 is equal to, y is equal to minus 1 by 2 times of x plus 3 pi by 2, which implies 2y plus x plus 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0, or we can write 2x plus 4y plus 3 pi is equal to 0 is the second equation. So we can see these two equations, 2x plus 4y minus pi equals to 0, 2x plus 4y plus 3 pi is equal to 0. So here in the second option, so we can go with the second option.